St. Louis First Forecast.
Hey guys, tuning in St. Louis First Forecast video forecast for February 18th, 2014. Let me tell you, today felt like a dream across the bi-state area. Upper 60s in most parts, mid 60s in St. Louis was the high today. 62 was the high today in St. Louis. We're still looking great at 7 o'clock. 61 degrees is the current temperature. Very nice evening to be out and around town in St. Louis. Looking at our current temps right now, because we're getting into a stormy pattern Wednesday and Thursday. Then we're going to get back into our winter swing with maybe some snow next week with highs in the 20s and 30s. But first of all, let's enjoy this warm stretch because it's awesome. 61 in St. Louis, 60 in Collinsville, 61 in Edwardsville, 52 in Belleville, 59 in Waterloo. So as you guys can see, we're kind of hanging on to the upper 50s and lower 60s across the bi-state area. And that's going to be the case. We're not dropping off a lot tonight. We're not going into like negatives or like single digits. 32 or so will be the low tonight. So when you wake up in the morning, chilly but not frigid cold. And that's what we're thinking for the next few days before that cold swings back in on Sunday. That'll cause us a few snow showers. We'll get to that in just a second. Now, right now forecast. South winds approaching at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Current temp right now 61 degrees in St. Louis. 27% will do it for our humidity, and the barometric pressure is steady at exactly 29.74. So 61 at 7 o'clock. It ain't too shabby to be out and around town. Any evening plans, please get them done in the next 2 days before it starts storming tomorrow night. We'll break down that timeline on exactly what's going to happen and where. Looks like the most severe storms will be down to our kind of south and east. But again, we will see these strong thunderstorms pop up Wednesday night and again on Thursday. 2 waves. Let's go to a live local Doppler right now before we kind of break those storms down. No precipitation across the bi-state area, at least for the next 24 hours or so before those storms move in on Wednesday night. So yes, this radar is clear as a crystal, and it's awesome, and it's just a great evening to be out and around town in St. Louis. Okay, weather headlines right now. We're going to break down our weather headlines because, you know what, we're going to shift patterns. We're going to go from spring, then we're going to transition back into winter. So here's what we're going to do. A bit cooler Wednesday, a weak cold front, a dry cold front, that matter, moves around town today or in tonight. So 50s is the high on Wednesday, a little bit cooler, but I would say still shorts weather. If anyone wants to wear shorts, I will give you the permission to do so. But 50s on Wednesday. Then comes the storms. There's going to be 2 waves. One on Wednesday night and again on Thursday. Not looking at anything too severe, but at the same time we want to watch these because these could be strong at times with wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour with maybe some hail or so. Then we get that cool down, and that cool down may consist of some snow. So like I said, the cold returns on Sunday. We could have a chance for some snow next week a few times around town in St. Louis. We're going to keep an eye on that, but one storm at a time because we are still in that warm spring pattern for the next few days. Then back to winter we go. Okay, let's break down these storms right now. So, first of all, we're going to kind of give you an idea of where the severe threat lines up in St. Louis. And this is kind of the national map. I drew this earlier today. So here's the key over here. You guys see the key? The green means general, just thunderstorms or so. General thunderstorms, not severe. And then the yellow key right here, this says slight chance. We're looking at a slight chance just east and southeast of the bi-state area. So here's what we're thinking. So this general area right here, this green stretch right here across Michigan, portions of Wisconsin, Missouri, Illinois, northern Illinois for that matter, Arkansas. All this green you see right here, we're not thinking of too much severe weather. We're just kind of thinking of strong thunderstorms at times, but nothing like, you know, tornadoes or anything. I don't think we'll see any tornadoes with these, in St. Louis at least. But, you know, south and east, here we go. Here's this little thing. This little stretch here, all the way down from Mississippi, Alabama, parts of northern Georgia, all the way up to Tennessee, and then we go to kind of eastern Illinois. This little stretch right here, this little yellow spot, that's the best chance we can see, that 30% chance of severe thunderstorm. So there's a slight chance for day 3 in and around this area right here. So keep an eye on this area. We'll let you know if this shifts anywhere north or south of us. So we're right on that line right now. We're going to kind of break that down in just a second. So this is kind of the general thinking here. So thunderstorms in St. Louis, and then as you go south, we can see that kind of risk kind of spreading up due to the 850 millibar winds kind of picking up a little bit as we get out of the area. Alright, so here's our chance for storms. Here comes wave 1. This will come in 2 waves. One late tomorrow night, and these aren't going to be as severe. The severe threat we're taking and the most storms are going to be from late tomorrow night, and then the second wave comes on Thursday morning. So first of all, wave 1 is Wednesday night. Now watch what happens. We have a warm front aloft combining with a cold front. Now watch what happens. This warm front right here comes pushing up, and again, this cold front kind of starts pushing in. It stops around Kansas City, but the warm front kind of stays right here. So the warm front just passes to our north in St. Louis. So at the same time, this is Wednesday night. So the cold front is still positioned in Kansas City, but then that warm front right there will hit. It's right there over St. Louis. This is the kind of issue we're thinking. So this general area right here, this is the best chance we can see those storms start to pop up on Wednesday night. Anywhere from St. Louis Metro to the east, to the west, to the north, anywhere where this warm front came up. Because when the warm front comes up, that warm, bubbly air gets in, and as that cold front kind of starts to approach, that's the best recipe for severe storms. So this general area right here, we're thinking Wednesday night, after around 10 o'clock at night, we can see these storms start to pop up. Might be a loud night for some, so just be sure to stay tuned to our Facebook page for any updates on these. Then comes this Wave 2. The Wave 2, as I'm thinking, is a little bit stronger than the Wave 1 we're seeing on Wednesday night. So this comes, like I said, Wave 2, Thursday morning to afternoon. There's going to be a few waves of thunderstorms Thursday, but the best threat for severe thunderstorms is Thursday. So here's what we're thinking. This warm front is still in the north, and this cold front still is in Kansas City. Now watch what happens. This cold front slides to St. Louis, and as that does that, the warm front kind of pushes up and away from our area. And basically what you guys can see is this cold front right here, it's still on our area. It's right on top of St. Louis. This is around noon to 1 o'clock on Thursday. So as this cold front approaches, when you get a cold front and a warm front, you're kind of in that middle sector. We're kind of in that little stretch of basically nothing. So when those two fronts combine, here's what we're thinking. This area right here from northern Illinois all the way down to basically northern Arkansas, this kind of stretch right here, we're thinking is the best chance we can see a squall line of thunderstorms or strong storms pop up. So this kind of general area right here, we're thinking, and we're going to definitely watch that for you as we head into the day tomorrow and again on Thursday. We'll definitely keep you updated though, but not looking at anything too severe, but strong, definitely. Tonight's forecast in St. Louis, 32 degrees. We'll do it for the low with, guess what? Again, southeast winds pushing at 5 to 10 miles per hour. 32 will do it for the low, and you know what? It's going to be pretty clear after midnight and pretty dry as well. Tomorrow's forecast in St. Louis, 55 degrees. A little bit cooler, not too shabby though. Winds approaching 5 to 10 miles per hour across the west. And ain't too big of a shabby day in St. Louis. Our 7-day forecast consists of many seasons changing, including thunderstorms and a chance for snow. Wednesday's high at 55, low of 43. Thursday, here comes that next shot for some thunderstorms, and that's what we're talking about, 63 will do for the high on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday and Tuesday look pretty dry as well. We could sneak a few snow showers in on Sunday night or Monday. But guess what? Look at those temperatures. 36, 35 on Tuesday, 36 on Monday. So basically after Sunday, the cold just starts rushing in, and it's going to be a cold week next week. Not Arctic highs, not Arctic temperatures by any means, but it will still be a week to say winter is still here. Thank you for tuning in to St. Louis Forecast. We'll definitely let you know on the storm threat and anything else that updates overnight tonight.